Hello, welcome to the Meteor screencast. Alright, in this screencast, I'll show you how to scale your Meteor application using Smart Collections. With Smart Collection 0.2 release, we have integrated MongoDB oplog to that one. That means you can scale your Meteor application in style, and it's really effective and really efficient. Okay, for that, for the first thing, you need to make sure your application uses Smart Collections. In this case, I'll use a popular Telescope application. And I have integrated the smart collection into that one locally, and we are ready to go. The next thing we have to do is make sure the MongoDB runs with oplog. So let's do that. First thing we need to do that. We need to run MongoDB separately with these options. So I'll use a separate DB path for that one. DB path. I simply use temporary directory. This is not good, but I use that one. And then this is the thing, you need to create a replica set, and don't worry about that, just simply say replica set Meteor. You can give any name you want to, but that's it. And simply, and then now your Meteor app is running, and okay, so now your Mongo is running. So we need to configure Mongo a bit now. Let's this one to look okay. So next thing, let's look into the Mongo shell. Now what we have to do is we need to have some configuration. We need to do some configuration. Let's create this one. Configure object. Say underscore ID is the name you have put there, and this we put Meteor, and then we have to say members. We have a couple of members. So simply what we are doing is we are creating a replica set here, a single user replica set, to make the oplog enabled. And then we have to say ID 0 element, and we say host, and that's my IP address, and the port 27017. That's it. So let's say how config looks like. Yes, we have ID Meteor like this one. This is the same thing we have added here, and then we have members, and we have only one member. That one is ID 0, and this is my host and the port. So now we have to do is rs.initiate and function, and config object. It will take a few seconds. Save locally, startup, secondary. Now so if everything goes to success, we have something called like this. Now we have MongoDB oplog with enabled into a Mongo. You can see it on local DB. There's a special DB called local, and it has the oplog. So it should be show collection. You can see this one is the oplog. This is a log containing all the write operations of your MongoDB. So now let's start our application with this oplog integration. This is please is this our telescope application. I'm on this folder. These are all files. Now I installed all the smart packages and everything, and we are ready to go. So let's open the Sublime Text for a bit, and let's try to see how we can do this configuration. This is thing, we need to have a Mongo URL. In this case, I say MongoDB, and it's localhost, and it's on port 27017, and let's say the DB is to Telescope. And let's create another one. This is a special thing, oplog URL. So this is the oplog URL. If you're running in the local instance, you can copy paste this one, and you can simply say it's not Telescope, it's local. This I'll show you that the oplog contained in the local special DB called local. And then start Meteor on, let's say, port 3000. Okay, I'll go to my terminal again. I paste this one. Let's take a few seconds. Okay, that's all this magic thing. That's the Telescope. Let's create another instance of my application. Same DB, same oplog URL, and not different port. It's port 4000. Another tab. I use that one. Okay, is Meteor running? Something, yeah, maybe. right, maybe my previous instance is still running, right? So now we have two instances. One is on 3000, another one is 5000. Okay, let's create two browsers. Right, okay, and let's create a new browser. All right, let's get the, all right, let's make it okay, and let's get another one, let's create another one, blah, blah, blah. Yes, this one, and let's make it right. Now we have two browsers. I think this, okay, this is not good, this is not even, okay, this seems perfect. Right, now let's look into the 3000, running one instance of my application, another one on port 5000. Right, okay, right. Now let's create a user on this one. Say another create.com and password is something else. Right, create an account here, and I create another account here too. Right, and then on .com, same password. Right, I create another account in this one also. Now we have two users here, and then I try to, you can see this two different applications running on two different ports, but the same application with the same DB. All right, now let's create a new post. URL, whatever the URL, title, let's say hello. You can see instantly in real time, you can one post you post there, and it will be appear here. That's real time, completely real time. This is completely done through the MongoDB oplog integration with smart collections. The reason for it 0.2. Right, let's try to add a comment in this one. Comments, hello, this looks good. Right, you can see the notification comes here. I click that one, so it comes here. Right? You can see now this is how we can, I think you can how to scale Meteor application using smart collection. Yeah, this is really efficient and this is perfect. Right, thank you for watching my screencast, and I hope you like that. Thank you.